Hi, my name's Katrina and I'm in my second year studying occupational therapy. Why did you choose to study your course? So I knew that I enjoyed working around people, and when I was at college I met a couple of occupational therapists who told me about their role, and they were just so passionate and so positive about what they did that I went home and researched everything that I could about occupational therapy, and it sounded like such a fulfilling job. And it went from there. How did you get into university? So, when I left school, I went straight to uni, but I didn't really do my research into the courses that I was interested in, and so I ended up doing something that I really didn't enjoy, and I ended up leaving after first year. And I then went into an apprenticeship and worked in a job just to gain some experience and to build my confidence. And from there, I went to college. And this just got me back to studying again and writing essays again. And that was the perfect stepping stone for me to get back to university and study occupational therapy. What do you enjoy about what you're studying? So, what I enjoy is just that occupational therapy is such a meaningful job. We help people who may have gone through illness or injury or who have a disability to help them get back to living independently and doing the things that are most meaningful to them. So, having that positive impact on someone's life is just really, really fulfilling. Any memorable moments so far? I'd say a memorable moment is being on placement. It's a really proud moment for me. I was working in a hospital and just building a really positive relationship with your patients just made every day really enjoyable. Even just having a conversation with someone would make their day, and that was just a really, really nice thing to be doing every day. Has anything surprised you in your course? I'd say what surprises me is that I'm always learning about occupational therapy, and that something so little can mean so much to someone and have such a positive impact on their well-being. What has been the biggest challenge in your studies and how have you overcome them? I'd say a challenge for me is probably working in a team and learning how to work in a group effectively. Sometimes you've got to take on that leadership role, and however awkward it can feel, sometimes you just got to take that leap, and that's how you end up building your confidence and learning a lot. What top three skills do you need to do your course? I'd say the first one is definitely having people skills, so being approachable and friendly. Secondly, having problem solving skills, that's really important in occupational therapy. And also just having that real desire to help and make a difference to someone's life. Where would you like to go with your career after graduating? So, I have an interest in mental health, so that's an area I might want to work in when I graduate. However, there are so many areas in occupational therapy that you can work in, whether that's with children or with elderly people, so I'm not too sure just yet. Any words of advice to someone looking to study your course? My biggest piece of advice is probably just to gain as much experience as you can to build your confidence and your people skills. Even if that's just a day of volunteering, something like that can have such a big impact on your confidence. And being able to communicate confidently is really, really important in occupational therapy. Thank you.